che vado a lasciare.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my new vlog. It's actually here. So today we are going around the city of Strasbourg like all day, and we also going to like two places, but I don't know how they are called. And right now we are here in the hotel with the song.
Who is that fine babe?
So there's like beautiful sun here for the first time ever in like 2 days. So it's pretty weird that there is sun. And I'm gonna show you around here because it's so pretty. So this is the residence and this is our hotel room. These are the others. We just got off the bus and now we're going around the city of Strasbourg, and I'm gonna do a tour. Just finished to buy some souvenirs. There you go, you can see any shit. And now we're going back to our group to I don't know where. What the fuck? What is going on? What the fuck? Oh my god, we're about to die. Let's go. Just finished eating in McDonald's and right now we're going around and we're like checking out some street markets in here. Jesus. And I'm gonna show you how they are. Trying to pierce our ears. Yeah. So we just got off from Claire's, but we didn't pierce our ears because it's actually expensive, like 99 euros. So we said no. Like I'm not gonna pay that much for that thing where I can literally do it cheaper. So instead I just buy a ring.
Later.
Now we're going to a bateau. I don't know if that's how you say it. Get ready for that because it is going to be so pretty and exciting. Che buono, porca puttana. So now we are inside of the come si chiama? Bateau bus. And I'm gonna show you.
Hi guys, we are at the
Hello.
boat.
Hi, I is batuting the testing on the vetting.
Questo è Filippino.
And yeah, very hard. Ouch.
So now we are in Primark and I'm actually so pissed off right now because I don't want to be here. I have to survive. I have to survive.
Facciamo la doccia. La doccia. Good showering, yeah.
Fake Versace. Like, bro. Guys, I don't want to be in this place anymore.
10 seconds later.
Thank God we are out of this freaking thing. I couldn't do it anymore. And now we're out.
Si sentiva la musica?
fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ, I look like a fucking monster. And look at this part of my hair. It's curly as fuck. Anyways, I look so fucking ugly, so I'm just going to put it in like this. So yeah, today we just like went around the whole city, just walking around, and I'm so tired. I want to sleep, and we have to wake up early because tomorrow we need to finish our suitcases. It's our last day in this fucking place, and then after that we are going to Germany. We're going to Deutschland, and after that we're going back to Italy. Ciao, amigo. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and then share it as usual. See you guys tomorrow on the last day of this beautiful trip. Is it beautiful? I don't know. It was also stressing. See you guys tomorrow with the last trip. Bye.
Finito?
Ha finito di rompere i coglioni?
Sì, infatti.